ESoC is an online program open to anybody keen to develop innovative weather-related software. It's a great opportunity to advance open software and to meet experts in the field of weather, climate, atmosphere, machine learning and cloud computing. Here are a few words from last year's participants.
I was able to sharpen my skills both in machine learning and also in geographical information systems.
ESoC was a wonderful opportunity for students to learn about open source.
I did it as part of my PhD and it was a really great addition where you don't have to explore something only scientifically but also how it can be easily reproducible for others.
It was really interesting for me to write a JavaScript application that can be configurable from a server by people who don't really need to know JavaScript.
I have also get to know the European weather cloud for deployment of our software, and I could extend my horizon by learning from the other participating teams and our mentors.
It was really fun for me.
This year, ESoC has 3 streams. Stream 1, Software Development for Weather, Climate and Atmosphere. Stream 2, Machine Learning for Weather, Climate and Atmosphere Applications. Stream 3, Visualizing Weather, Climate and Atmosphere. There are 13 challenges proposed on GitHub and up to 10 proposals will be selected. Successful projects will be eligible for a stipend of £5,000 and, if applicable, for cloud credits from the European Weather Cloud or WEkEO. How does it work? Step 1. Application period. Go to GitHub, choose a challenge of interest, engage with mentors to tailor your proposal, and submit by the 16th of April 2021. Step 2. Announcement of selected proposals. All selected projects will be announced on April the 30th, 2021. Step 3. The coding phase. From May until August, you'll team up with experienced mentors and experts from ECMWF and Copernicus to develop your project. Step 4. The final ESoC day. All results will be shown during a live-streamed virtual event on the 29th of September 2021. All challenges are listed on GitHub, or you can find all the information on our website. And follow us on Twitter to receive all the updates. ECMWF Summer of Weather Code 2021. Let's innovate together.